Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to make a bit of a follow-up video. It wasn't too long ago I made a video for some roll lock alternatives. This is a different style, but this is from the same people that sent those to me. A link will be in the description below so you can find these. So we're going to take a quick look and see what we have in this package here. Got a nice thank you card. And this appears to be 3-inch sanding discs. So you can see what we got here. Got a nice little roll of masking tape. I don't know the differences in the colors, but I do know there's a different firmness, and this is for polishing or buffing, waxing. So we have several of those, which works out, and this is like a terry cloth. This is nice little hand sander, or palm sander to hold it. Looks like we've got an arbor that we can chuck up into a drill. And this looks like it's for a random orbital. So there's two styles of each. We've got a 1/4-inch round shank. Not sure what size this is. And then we've got the 1/4-inch hex. And so this one has the bigger hole, so you can put the 1/4-inch hex shank on it and put it in a drill. Or you can put it in the round shank. I'm not sure what this fits because this looks bigger than 1/4-inch. And then we have the 1/4-inch round for this disc. So again, you have your options of round or hex. So not sure. I think because this one has a softer foam on it, I'm going to be using it for, I'm going to use this for what I'm working on today. So I'll get this ran down and cinched up with a crescent wrench. I actually have two projects I'm going to use this on. The first one, which I'm going to show you a little bit while I'm working on it, is we're going to sand off some of this body filler that's been on there for a very long time. I don't know exactly how long, but I'm just going to check up one of these sanding discs in the drill and just see how it does. And we do have a stack of 80 grit all the way to 3000 grit, and I'm gonna guess we're 80, 150, no, 80, 180, 240, 320, 400, 600, 800, 1000, 2000, and then 3000. I think we're going to start with 80. And again, I wanted to use this pad because it is a little softer and we don't have to worry about eating into the edges. So I'm just going to hit this, see what we can get done with this, and then we'll check back in. All right, I just wanted to get you a little closer to the action here before we get going. We're not going for perfect on this. You can probably tell the car's not in the best shape. I do just want to see where we're at when we get rid of this Bondo. I can already tell there's a big dent here, and there's plenty more work I need to do, but I just wanted to get some of this old stuff off. Okay, so that sanded it down pretty good. I want to show you the little hand sander thing. So I'm going to grab that and put a piece of sandpaper on it. So here, got that piece of sandpaper on. It's just Velcro, hook and loop. Center it up. Now you've got something to hold the sandpaper. Looks like we got some rowdy grinder marks in here. But there you have it. I just wanted to show you this kit that was sent to me. Along with the sanding discs, we also have the polishing or the buffing discs that I showed you. Obviously, those aren't going to do me good on this car, but you can even use those attached to this to apply wax and then buff it off. So if you don't have a drill or something to chuck these up in, you can still do it by hand. If you have any questions about these, let me know. Put them in the comments below, and I will have a link to this set in my description. And if you have any other questions, or if you're interested in this car, check out the channel, check out the playlist on the 65 Ford Ranchero. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. We'll see you on the next video.